As I told you, based on the planning order, they assemble the furniture. This point has its own word in supply chain management terminology. CODP, the customer order duplicate point, exactly where the product is linked to the customer order for the first time. Before that, as you see, there are hundreds of wooden items and rails. Do we know which one belongs to which customer? Of course not. Indeed, before CODP, operation stages are forecast driven. But after CODP, they are customer order driven. Finally, after a dozen operations, an unfinished furniture frame has been made. The QC operator checks the sofa based on the control plan. If it is approved, they lift it to the pre-painting line. I hope you aren't bored. We want to leave woodworking and go for pre-painting units.